For decades, the ultra-luxury SUV market belonged entirely to the traditional elite. But the brand new 2026 to 27 Range Rover SV just dropped a nuclear bomb on the entire automotive industry, leaving Bentley and Rolls-Royce scrambling for a response. This is not just a mild cosmetic refresh or a subtle trim update. Land Rover's Special Vehicle Operations team has completely re-engineered what a $250,000 land yacht is capable of, unleashing a 606-horsepower twin-turbo V8 monster that transforms this literal fortress on wheels into a track-ready sleeper. But beneath the jaw-dropping liquid metal paint and the ultimate status symbol badge lies a shocking multi-billion-dollar secret that Land Rover desperately wants to hide from the public. A fatal design flaw so potentially devastating to the vehicle's longevity that it could turn your massive investment into the most expensive paperweight on the planet. We will break down exactly what that hidden nightmare is at the very end of this video. But first, you need to understand how this machine completely changes the rules of the automotive game. Look closely at the exterior of the new SV, and you will realize it completely defies the current automotive trend of aggressive, overstyled bodywork. Instead, the designers went all in on seamless reductionism, giving the SUV a smooth, monolithic aesthetic that looks like it was carved out of a single block of solid silver. The iconic side grills are entirely flush, the door handles automatically deploy on approach, and the massive 23-inch forged alloy wheels feature intricate satin platinum inserts. Up front, a bespoke grille and a distinctive white ceramic SV roundel signal that this is no ordinary model, while the rear features hidden until lit vertical LED taillights that seamlessly blend into the gloss black trim when turned off. Step past the soft closed doors, and you are immediately welcomed into an ultra-premium, leather-free sanctuary covered in dual-tone orchid white and cinder gray fabrics that are actually tougher and more sustainable than traditional cowhide. The interior controls are crafted from gloss white ceramic, replacing cheap plastic switches with material usually reserved for luxury watchmaking. Even better, the design team actually listened to customer complaints and brought back the physical volume and terrain response knobs to the center console, saving you from navigating endless touchscreen menus just to turn up the radio. If you love staying ahead of the curve on the latest car releases and hidden automotive engineering secrets, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button right now to join our community. With notifications turned on, you will never miss our deep dives into the world's most exclusive machines. Back inside the cabin, the true magic of the SV happens in the second row, especially if you opt for the ultra-exclusive invitation-only Ultra variant. This configuration turns the rear into an absolute private jet experience, featuring an electrically deployable club table, motorized crystal glassware cup holders, and an integrated refrigerator door. But the real showstopper is the revolutionary audio setup. Range Rover has completely ditched traditional heavy coil speakers for a world-first electrostatic sound system utilizing 21 razor-thin film transducers embedded directly into the headliner, seatbacks, and headrests. This tech pairs with body and soul haptic seats and a sensory floor mat system that translates the bass lines of your music into perfectly synchronized, therapeutic pulses through your body, effectively dropping your heart rate and melting away stress after a long day. Under the hood, the performance is equally mind-blowing, with the standard 4.4-liter V8 rocketing this giant palace from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. However, all of this absolute perfection brings us right back to that terrifying hidden flaw we teased earlier, a ticking time bomb built straight into the core of Land Rover's engineering philosophy. Historically, the brand has been plagued by legendary, catastrophic electrical and air suspension failures, and with the 2026 to 27 SV, they have packed more complex wiring, haptic floor sensors, thin film audio tech, and software lines of code into a single vehicle than almost any other manufacturer in history. Furthermore, the specialized twin-turbo V8 engine bay gets so tightly packed and incredibly hot that mechanics are already warning about premature component degradation under the hood. When these complex, cutting-edge systems inevitably begin to glitch out of warranty, the repair costs will be astronomical, meaning this apex predator of luxury might just become the most depreciated and unreliable nightmare on the used market.